First time properly trying to talk to the camera and not just have it recording with a mic, because normally I can just forget about it and that's that. But I'm by myself now. I have to turn around because I realistically have no clue where the fuck I'm going, but I seen this tunnel and I wanted to launch control through it, so I really wanted to launch control through it. I have to go back anyway, so I just threw an ND filter on, ND8 I think it was, so I'm hoping I didn't go too much, because normally I'd throw it on, well not normally, because I'm known to either put the wrong one on or not put one on, but I just threw it on and I've started to check on my phone, like on the GoPro app, but I wasn't arsed, so I just threw it on and I'm kind of hoping for the best now. Hopefully it's good.